Yo, what is up guys, it's your boy Dairy Larry coming back at you with a brand new YouTube video. And in today's video, we're going to be cleaning the interior of my car. I'm going to show you guys step by step what I like to do and what are the products that I use. I'm trying to look for my wash mitt so I can clean the exterior of the car, but honestly it's like nowhere to be found. So we're just gonna go ahead and do the interior, and if I do end up finding the wash mitt, then I'll go ahead and wash the whole entire car because it's super dirty. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna have to move my mom's car so I can put my car in the middle of the driveway. I'm gonna set up the GoPro and then we should be good to go. Just gotta move around the cars like I said, and yeah, let's do it. Alright guys, so I got a plastic bag. I'm gonna go ahead and connect the vacuum real quick and then we're gonna get started. You guys are probably wondering, why do I have a plastic bag with me? Well, I have a bunch of receipts in there, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab all of them, throw them inside the bag, throw anything that needs to go inside the bag, and then sort it out later, see which one I want to keep, which one I want to throw away. So that's a good thing for you to have, is a plastic bag just to throw everything in there. So yeah, we can start now. I'm gonna go ahead and throw on the GoPro. I'm gonna put it on my head strap, and then we're gonna get started. Alright guys, I'm done cleaning the interior. Let me show you guys real quick. Super duper clean. The only thing left are the cup holders to put back the little plastic pieces in there too. And then the rubber floor mats. But as you guys can see, you guys can kind of tell. It's super clean though. From what I had it before, that thing was dirty. So let me show you guys. Oh wow, they're almost dried up. So yeah, they're almost dried up. I got those pieces right there. I finally found the washing mitt, but it's like damp. And so is my drying towel. So I'm not even gonna wash the car today. I'm just gonna take it to a car wash. It's about $10. So yeah, she's dirty from the outside, but super clean from the inside. Kind of hot out here, as you guys can tell. I'm kind of sweating. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take my car to the car wash because I was gonna do it here, but like I showed you guys, my towel, my drying towel and my washing mitt are both damp. So they've been sitting in the sun, so I'm pretty sure they're gonna smell like doo-doo. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and maybe take a shower before I take it to go get a car wash. Then I might go get some coffee or whatever, but today is basically gonna consist of me editing because I have the day off from work. I got back from the gym about 2 hours ago. So yeah, today consists of mainly editing. I think I'm gonna live stream later today. But yeah guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go shower and I'll see you guys in a bit. All right guys, so we just got the Dutch Bros. As you guys can see, I'm with my boy in the M3. Holy sheesh. But anyways, we're gonna grab some coffee and I don't know what we're gonna do after, but I will keep you guys updated.
I got you. Shit. That shit just echoes across everywhere. All right. Thank you for tuning in.
There?
I don't think so.
We're in the middle of the street. Damn, boy, where'd you get this? Sheesh. The boy Fritzy's whip. Looking nice. Alright, what year is it?
2011.
How many horsepower?
440.
440?
What he has, yeah.
What year is it?
11.
2011?
Yeah, 2011 M3 naturally aspirated V8.
Shit.
It's got a tail on stock internal, so more like 440, and then it's a wrap, a little dark gray.
You want to race my ProCharge V6?
We on it.
Details I like. Look.
What's that? Oh, the M3?
Yeah.
Oh shit, I didn't see that. That's sick. We got the only car that could beat it out here. Oh The Mazda 3-speed. Damn, Fritzy, what'd you do to yours? Belgian wheels, lime green brakes, IPL rear bumper, G37S, clean. Got the M3, boys. Oh man.
Told you. That's 235.
How'd you get it to match the other pieces that you got? Yeah, to the steering wheel. Like these pieces, like the interior.
These are just wraps, to be honest.
What about this? I've never seen this type of design.
Oh,
Like
yeah.
a honeycomb.
I like the style
Woo.
too.
Yeah.
It fits out good too. Yeah.
I think I'm gonna take off all the stuff. I have like 3 superchargers, so I might just take it off since it's a daily and shit.
Summer's coming up, you know, you don't want your engine being bad.
For real.
Where you get the light in the top.
And you said
So
that
when you're redlining it,
you,
you'll see.
you said the previous owner had the other steering wheel, right?
Yeah. So I might get it back.
He didn't try to sell it to you? Like you didn't try
Nah.
contacting him?
I didn't. Well, yeah, no. He told me 300, so we'll see. I might as well just get a better steering wheel than just a regular Alcantara.
Yeah.
There's a rev limiter in the gauge right here if you want to look. So when you start gunning it in the dash here on the top, yeah, that literally lights up. That's a light up. So
Oh, the little
it'll go
slots?
yellow, red flash, and then that's when you know to shift.
Ah.
Yeah, and this revs up to 8,400 RPM. Hey, bro, come on, look at this.
He took out the Apple Card.
Alright, look.
Wait, what the hell? It's made out of metal?
Yeah.
And we're on flat ground too, huh?
You want to rev? You want to get a shot of it revving?
I do, and then I don't.
I know it's loud.
I do because I want them to hear it besides the GoPro footage because I have the microphone on, which picks up better sound, but I don't because your mom's here
No one's here.
and it's hella quiet. Go ahead, bro. Go ahead. Say less. What you... Bro, but that didn't sound like last time. Last time you revved it, did you do something to it?
Yeah, the X-Pipe.
Oh, the X-Pipe, that's right.
That's why.
So you took off the resonator? Oh, they're fucking tiny. They look like cats.
Look at that. Just like baby, and I still have my cats on. Yeah, my mom found a hat. I think it's yours.
Man, come on, bro. What you doing with this shit?
Yeah, that's yours, bro. She just kept it right there, bro. I was like, bro, that's Dario. She's like, hey, look, it's a new hat. I'm like, shit.
It's actually my mom's hat.
Right.
You want to say anything to the vlog?
Do better in life.
What? Oh, we're just gonna cut it off right there.
Do better in life.
'Cause,
Nah, but for real though, man. Like, don't let your dreams. You know what I mean? Like, go for your dreams, bro. Don't let anything stop you.
Yeah, bro. Don't let anybody stop you.
Come on, man. I was driving first in a 2003 Dodge Caravan with a fucked up door on the side that had 149,000 miles. Still remember that shit. Now we here.
Moved up to Toyota Yaris.
For real though, bro. Just don't quit. Huh?
Moved up to Toyota Yaris.
Right? And then from that
To a 328 sedan, to a Accord,
To a Genesis.
To a Genesis.
to a G.
To a 4-door G37.
God damn, bro.
335. Yeah, dude. Yeah. It all started with $200. I bought a Volkswagen Beetle and then just kept flipping cars to the point where I afforded this car.
Yeah, bro. COVID is the time to get creative and stuff like that. You're hearing it from this guy right here, man. Follow your dreams and you'll get an M3.
Yeah, just follow your dreams, bro. Literally, bro.
Sheesh.
Here, if they want to see it, hold on, let me turn my screen.
Let's see if I can get it. It's kind of bright out here.
Is it?
Yeah.